Hello guys, welcome to another exciting video today guys. You all know how we do it in this channel guys. I'm going to explain to you the trade which we are currently in now and the reason why I entered the trade guys. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I should be getting more information how you can be a win trader. Okay guys. So first of all, before we go into that guys, I would like you to see that I don't always make alone. I try to carry my people along and I try to put each and everybody along what I'm doing. So I'll take you to the group. I'll still leave the link below the video so that you understand that guys, we do this for real. We do this live. Okay guys. This strategy is very simple. It's one of the best boom and crash strategy. You are going for the spike. You're not going against the spike. It is used for the spike guys, using for the spike only. So you're not gonna trade against the spike. So you're going for the big move. So guys, before I do that, let me show you guys. Okay, so here is the signal. Here is the signal. When I drop the signal, buy boom 1000. Okay, so we've been on this, we've been on this, we've been on this, we've been on this. You can see that. You can see where we are right now. So guys, the link is below. Okay, the link is below the video. You can join us and let's make the market together. Yeah, it's a free group. You can see it's a free group, so there is nothing to hide guys. There's nothing to hide. So join us, let's kill the market. So back to the chart guys. What am I expecting and what am I anticipating? What did I see that made me to enter this trade? I think it's very simple and you too can also figure it out. So what I just did was like, guys, is a kind of trend line strategy. Okay, if you can draw your trend line very well, boom, you are good to go. But if you don't know how to draw your trend line very well, you can check out one of my previous videos there guys. I teach how to draw a trend line perfectly like a pro trader. So you can check out one of the videos below because you really need the skill. Okay guys, you need the skill of trend line drawing. Okay, for you to be able to use this strategy because it's perfectly for trend line. Okay, using trend line as a strategy to catch spikes in the market. You don't need much indicators. You don't need your chart to be full of lags. Okay, and all that. All you just need to do is to get the skill of how to draw trend line perfectly guys, and exercise patience. Once you can be able to do that, you are good to go. So let me show you guys. Sorry for that. Okay, so if you watch the market very well, you see that the market was in downtrend. Okay, now previously, if you check, you will see that the market has tested severally. Okay, when the market was testing, I had to pull out trend line. First test, second test, it came down here and it broke up again. It came back and test again. Now it came to the third one. Okay, it came to the third test after the it broke up. The trend line is acting as resistance. Okay, now at the time it now turned to support again. At this very point now it broke out and turned to support. So here now it came back as support again. So all I had to do is just to wait for it to come to that very point. Now once the market came back to that very point, boom, I mark out my support also with horizontal line. Yeah, you can see that there was a previous test at that very point. Okay, so what I just did was like from the wick of the candle to the body of the candle, I placed a horizontal line there to mark out my support using horizontal line also. Okay, you can see the wick of the candle and the body. So that is it guys, that is it. So I placed my horizontal line there. When I placed my horizontal line there, I now check it out with the trend line. So there is a kind of corresponding between the horizontal line and the trend line. But the main one you need to get first is the trend line. Once the trend line is there, once you can be able to figure out the trend line, once you're able to like draw your trend line perfectly and get that third touch. Remember, before you use a trend line, you must have a first touch and a second touch. Then what you are trading should be the third touch of the trend line. Okay, so once the market make that swing first, swing second, either low or high, boom, you check it out, place your trend line at that very point. Okay, when you place your trend line at that very point, it's not acting as support. Okay, so that was my entry there. If you take it out from my entry down, should be about 15 candle. That's why whenever I place a trade, I give my SL 15 candle before the market, boom, start pushing up. Okay, so all you just have to do, guys, is for you to understand what you're looking at for. What are you looking at for? You're looking at for two swings in the market. First swing, second swing, either high or low. And then when you are trading for boom, you are looking for swing lows because you are trying to catch a spike up. That's a buy. So you're looking out for swing lows. You have the first swing low, you have the second swing low, you are good to go. Then you have to wait for the third swing to retest the trend line. Okay, that is where you now make your entry at the third swing. So if you can be able to get this third swing, then you can also confirm it with horizontal line as support, looking out for your nearest swing low also as a support. Okay, guys. So this is just very simple. If you can be able to understand how to use it, just open your chart. When you open your chart, you don't need to set up anything. On your plain chart, guys, just look out for the swings in the market. If you are in boom, just look out for the swings. We have a first swing low, second swing low. Place your trend line accurately. Don't actually place it close to the body, now away from the wick. Just place it in between the wick and the body. That's how I draw. Okay, so once you're able to get that, wait for the third touch. Once the third touch comes around, guys, all you just need to do is to manage your risk. Okay, you should understand that whatever thing you are doing in this business, risk management is very essential. Risk management is very vital for you to succeed as a forex trader. So, guys, okay, so now I'm teaching you how to use Bollinger Band, which is another strategy to get this same entry. So your period 20, deviation 2.00, shift 0, apply to close. So the peso doesn't matter, the color doesn't matter, the level doesn't matter. Those ones can stay unchanged, but the place you don't need to touch is the period, shift and apply. Just leave it at default. Okay, once you've done that, you click on done. So you can screenshot it, the period, deviation, shift and close. You don't need to touch those ones. Then you click on done. So guys, look at what happened here. Whenever the price goes below the Bollinger Band and the spike from that very out of Bollinger Band, whenever the price goes out of Bollinger Band and spike from out of the Bollinger Band, just place your horizontal line there, wait for it to retest again. This is another simple strategy to catch spike in the market for boom and crash. Just watch it. Whenever the market spike out from the Bollinger Band up, the spike started from out of the Bollinger Band. That is the wick of the candle started out of the Bollinger Band and the spike occur. Just place your horizontal line, wait for that. On it returning, boom, you're gonna make it. Okay, look at it. It occurs severally. It occurs severally. Coming back again, it spike. All you just have to do, guys, is to manage your risk because you know that no strategy works 100%. So for you to be able to achieve your goal as a profitable trader, you just have to obey the principle of risk management. So once you do that, you are good to go. So whenever the market comes back, boom, you make your entry. Whenever the market comes back, you make your entry. So that is it, guys, for this video. I promise I'm not gonna make it long. So see you guys in the next video. Away. Remember to subscribe, guys. Love you.